Hey there. So if you want to change or update the Wi-Fi network on your Google Nest Doorbell, the battery version, whether you've changed the Wi-Fi name or password or just for any troubleshooting purpose, first we need to clear the old setup from your app. So let's open Google Home app. Maybe your doorbell is showing offline. Just tap on it, then tap on this screen to the wheel icon. From there to settings, scroll down till the end and select remove device, and then remove once again. This actually helps avoid any connection issues with the new setup. Now you're gonna just take the doorbell off the wall, unmount it if you've not already. For better visibility, I'm gonna show you right in here. To release the base plate, you gotta take a paper clip or SIM ejector or maybe the original release key and just press it down this release hole gently, and in a couple of seconds the base plate will come off. What we're going to do is factory reset the doorbell because this is the only way. So you might lose your doorbell history if it's not saved in somewhere. Alright, so on the back you will find a tiny reset pinhole near the USB port. Just use a paper clip or SIM ejector that will fill inside this hole, but make sure not to use anything sharp that might damage it. And just press and hold it for exactly 12 seconds. It will flash orange light 4 times right here and followed by a chime. And then the doorbell will power off. That confirms the factory reset is done. Just give it a couple of minutes. And now go back to the Google Home app, tap the plus icon, then to devices, and just follow the on-screen prompts to start setting up the device once again. Now if needed, you can connect it to the charging cable to just wake it up. If it's in pairing or setup mode, it will show blue LED. And when the Wi-Fi comes up, just follow the steps to either reconnect with the old one with a new password, or you can newly connect it to your new Wi-Fi extender, booster, or network. After that, enter the password and then hit connect. Once you hear the confirmation sound, you're back online. And finally, just complete the rest of the setup process, follow the on-screen prompts one after another, and that's it. You've changed the Wi-Fi, updated it, and now you are back online with your Nest Doorbell. Thanks for your time.